Welcome to our YouTube channel, All America Selections Flowers and Vegetables. We're going to be doing a series, about a 1 to 2 minute video, just highlighting some of the All America Selection winners, so you can get an idea of what they look like at maturity and decide if you'd like to have them in your garden. This is a 2015 AAS winner called Sandy Lettuce. It's an oak leaf lettuce, beautiful oak leaves. The breeder is Terra Organics, and with some of the reasons why this variety won in 2015 was because it has resistance to powdery mildew, if that's an issue in your area. Slow to bolt, so when the warm weather comes, it'll keep growing and it's not going to send up that flower stalk. And it's slow to get bitter, so it keeps its sweetness to it. What I like about this lettuce is, as an oak leaf, sometimes they're kind of thin and fragile. This is a nice heavy leaf that's going to hold the dressing really, really well in your salads. I've cut this one out. This is going to be lunch today. When you cut your full heads out, leave the root system in the ground. This is going to grow leaves back and you'll be able to harvest them again. This takes 50 days to mature. They're going to get 10 to 12 inches wide, about 10 inches high. And again, 50 days from when the seeds germinate from the ground or from when you drop transplants. When you're planting them, about 8 to 10 inches apart if you want to get full heads like this. You can also grow this as cut and come again lettuce. Just plant a row much more closely together, and when it gets about this high, cut the leaves off and keep harvesting that way. You're not letting it get to full maturity. Hope you enjoyed the video, and it gives you an idea of one of the lettuces that I love to grow. I've been growing this for 3 years. Really give it a try in your garden. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, because one of the things that we're going to do is we're not going to have any ads running in front of our videos. So over the season, as the garden videos develop, you'll be able to come and get the information you need without having to watch any ads. And remember, when you purchase an All America Selection winner, the proof is in the plant. Thanks for watching.